Okay, before we discuss what IPython is all about, I'm going to just provide a couple of quick tips on installation for Mac users, because this course is going to be exclusively demonstrated on a Windows system, but obviously if you have a Mac and you're able to execute these steps on your own operating system, then you should be able to carry on and carry out the other processing tasks in this course on your Mac system without any problems. So here goes. As I mentioned in the previous lecture, we go to the Anaconda website, the continuum.io downloads, and you can download Anaconda for your own operating system, which is the Apple system, and please select a version which sits with your version of the Mac and 64-bit. That's usually the case. And once you're done downloading, once the download is complete, in your downloads you will come across this particular thing, Anaconda Mac OS X x86_64, because mine is a 64-bit system, so I downloaded the 64-bit. Now you can click on the Anaconda download and follow all the steps as it is. I don't have to take you through that because it's just a question of clicking along and just waiting for Anaconda to install itself on your Mac. And after completing all the steps, you should see the launcher symbol. So I have my launcher symbol on the desktop. It looks like this snake, and you should see it most probably on your desktop like so. And now you fire up the Mac terminal as usual, and you can navigate your way into your working folder. So this is my working folder, Python for DS, and I navigated myself into that folder and type in Jupyter Notebook at the console. So I've done that, Jupyter Notebook, and this will bring up the localhost :888, and I just ran some code, and as you can see, the code does seem to be working. Well, the code was working. So in case you can get this fired up, this localhost thing, then you have installed Anaconda and your IPython notebook is working on your system, and you're good to carry on further. And on the console of your terminal, you can type in conda list, which will show you the list of packages installed in Anaconda. And unlike Windows, where we work with the Anaconda bash or the Anaconda prompt, we just continue to work with the terminal in Mac. So we don't have a separate prompt. We don't use a separate prompt for this in case of Mac operating system. So it's just a question of going into terminal and firing up Anaconda, or exploring the packages that you have in Anaconda. And shutdown requires Control+C, and with that we can shut down our notebook. And if you can carry out all these steps, then you're good to go with Anaconda on your Mac operating system. And now in the next lecture, I'm going to take you through the details of the IPython notebook and acquaint you with some of the most common terms that you should know about.